Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
Guys, I'm back. My topic for today is define the parabola. What is parabola? It's a plane curve which is mirror symmetrical and approximately U-shaped. It fits several other superficially different mathematical descriptions which can all be proved to define exactly the same curves.
Now that you've known on what is the parabola, now let's move on to the 6 parts of it. The parabola has vertex, focus, directrix, axis of the parabola, latus rectum, and the focal distance. First is the vertex. The vertex of a parabola is the highest or lowest point on the graph of a parabola. Next is the focus. The focus of a parabola is a fixed point on the interior of a parabola. Next is the directrix. The directrix is a fixed line that is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry of a parabola. Next is the axis of the parabola. The axis of the parabola is a line about which the parabola is symmetrical. When the parabola is vertical, the axis of symmetry is vertical. And it passes the focus and the vertex. Next is the latus rectum. It's a line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola, to the focus and whose endpoints lie on the end of the parabola. Lastly, the focal distance is the distance between the vertex and the focus.
Wow!
So for our today's video, I will teach you on how to transform general form to standard form and standard form to general form. X squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 7. So for the first step, parenthesis all terms that has the same variable. It will become x squared plus 6x plus y squared equals 7. Divide the constant into 2, then square the result. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. 3 squared is equals to 9. So we will write here 9. And then we will add 9 here too. And then we will factor out the term. And then we will square root the first term and the last term. X. So it is positive. Then simplify the right side. 7 plus 9 plus 0 is equals to 16. Then we will simplify. We can simplify this term into x plus 3 squared plus y squared equals to 16. We will transform standard form to general form. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals to 49. Square the first term. Then multiply the first and last term. So we will have 0 equals to 49. We will transpose 49 into negative 49. We already get the general form of x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals to 49. The general form of that is x squared plus y squared minus 49 is equals to 0. How to graph a parabola. First, we will have to solve this equation. X minus 3 squared equals to 4, y plus 3 This is how we get the vertex. This is the H and this is the K. So it will be 3 and negative 3. And then the focus. H is equals to 3 and then K plus A. K is equals to negative 3. A is to 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is equals to negative 2. So we will write here negative 2. H is 3, 2, A is 1. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 1 K plus A is already given. It is equals to negative 2. And then H plus A, 3 plus 2 times 1 is equals to 5. 5, negative, and negative 2. And then the directrix. Y is equals to K minus A. Y is equals to K is negative 3 and A is negative 1. And it is equals to negative 4. Y is equals to negative 4. Line of symmetry. S equals to H. H is 3. So we are done on solving a parabola. Vertex is 3 and negative 3. Focus is 3, negative 2. R is on 5 and negative 2. So Y is equals to negative 4. So Y is negative 4. Then line of symmetry will across vertex and focus. And we are already done graphing a parabola.
Hi, my name is Francis J.S. Alcantara. I'm the one who answered the questions in 5A. Choose and draw real-life applications in a parabola, and 5B. Label the parts of a parabola and solve the vertex, focus, the lactus rectum, the directrix, and line of symmetry. So we choose to draw and solve real-life application is rides in amusement park or the roller coaster, just like in this simple drawing of a roller coaster. Now we're gonna solve the parabola in this drawing. Since the opening of the middle parabola in this roller coaster is downward, therefore we can assume that the equation of the middle parabola is open close parenthesis x minus 1 open close parenthesis squared equals negative 4 open close parenthesis y minus 3. Because it is open downward, we use the equation open close parenthesis x minus h open close parenthesis squared equals 4a open close parenthesis y equals k. Now we're gonna solve the parts of a parabola. The first is vertex. Vertex is h, k. Our h in this parabola is 1 and our k is 3. Now the focus. Our equation is h, k minus a. Our h is 1 and our k is 3 and our a. We're gonna first solve the a. 4a equals 4. Now, we'll divide the both sides 4. Cancel. Our A is 1. Now, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Our focus is 1 and 2. Next is LR. The equation of LR is 4A. And our 4A is 4. Next, we're gonna solve the L. The equation of L is H minus 2A, comma, A minus A. Our H is 1 minus A is our 1 also. 2 times 1 equals 2. Next is K. Our K is 3 and our A is 1. Equals 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. Next is R. The equation of R is H plus 2A, comma, A minus A. Our H is 1 plus 2 times A. Our A is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Next is our K is 3 minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And our next is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, directrix. The equation is A plus A. Or our A is 3 plus A. Our A is 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And now, the last is line of symmetry. The equation of line of symmetry is H. Our H is 1. Now, we're gonna graph this equation. Now, we're gonna graph the parabola we solved a while ago. First, we will point the vertex. Our vertex is 1 and 3. So, this is the vertex. Next is the focus. Our focus is 1 and 2. Focus. Next is L and R. Our L is negative 1 and 2. Negative 1 and 2. Next is R, 3 and 2. Now, we're gonna connect the 3 point, the L, V, and R. Just like a U shape. Yeah, that's a open downward. Now we're gonna point the two lines. The first is directrix. Our directrix is 4. Now, we always remember that directrix and focus are the same distance in vertex. And the last is line of symmetry. Our line of symmetry is 1. The line that passes the vertex to focus. Now we will line the line of symmetry passes the vertex and focus. Now that's the parabola. Our parabola equation is open close parenthesis x minus 1 open close parenthesis squared equals negative 4 open close parenthesis y minus 3. Just like in a roller coaster, open downward.
Hi guys, I'm Xyrel Suva. So, we are going to explain how does it uses the concept of a parabola. The symmetrical plane curve that forms when a cone intersects with a plane parallel to its side is called parabola. While directrix is the curve that formed by set of points in a plane that are all equally distant from the both given line, while focus in the given point that is not on the line. When parabola plays in a major role in important applications such as parabolic antenna or a parabolic microphone to automobile headlight reflectors and design of ballistic missiles. They often used in physics, engineering, and many areas. So that's it for all today, guys. Hope you see you all on our next vlog. Again, I'm Xyrel Suva from the group of denominators. Bye-bye!